Today, our mission is simple. Harvest our own breakfast straight from the backyard. We've got plenty of fruit on offer, so I thought why not make the most of it? But the mission doesn't stop there. We will learn how to make fresh, homemade coconut milk. We will break down a jackfruit with our own hands and use it to cook a traditional dish from scratch, using nothing but local techniques and ingredients found just steps from the kitchen. From the jungle to the table, this is a journey of flavor, tradition, and living off the land. So join me on this mission as we pick, prep, and turn these backyard fruits into something delicious. What I want to do right now is collect a breakfast from the backyard. So we're going to collect a coconut to drink, a papaya, and we're also going to be cutting down one of these jackfruits. One of these, I'm not sure which one yet. And cooking a delicious dish for the morning, because this is not just any fruit. You can make an amazing dish out of this, so let's do that. Now it's time to cut down this coconut. More papaya, more papaya. Ah, itchy. And here we go, coconut. Okay, this one. This knife's not very sharp. Oh, kelapa muda. Success. We're just gonna leave the rest there. I'm gonna get this pole, this one here. Okay, I've got a longer piece of bamboo. There we go. Success. Oh, we got ourselves a little papaya. It's only very small, but it's ripe and ready. I have picked my jackfruit. That was easy. Whoa, what's coming out the top there? Okay, fruit has been acquired. We have jackfruit, coconut, and a little mini papaya. We're gonna wash our knife. And we're gonna cut into them. I've got a glass. We're gonna put some ice in that glass, put the coconut water inside the glass for breakfast. Ice. Okay, so I've wrapped it up in a tea towel, now I'm gonna smash it with this rock. Feels good. Yes. Success. Alright, there we have our ice in our cup. So now we have our ice, now we have to cut open our coconut to put the milk inside the glass. Alright, we got the top off.
Yeah, in the middle, yep.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it smells so good. Quick taste test, look at that. That looks amazing. Oh, sweet and fresh. Now, we bust the whole thing open. Alright. You scrape the meat out like that. You can eat it directly, or you can scrape it all out and put it inside with your drink, which is what I'm going to do. You can see all the meat in the bottom there. Now I'm going to put that in my drink. Creamy, meaty goodness. There you go. About 20 bucks in Australia. I just got it for free from the backyard. Delicious. Cutting. Bang. Alright, let's go. The workstation. Alright, I'm gonna wash this in the rainwater. Little bit of over-ripeness there, but other than that, pretty good. And last but not least, we have our jackfruit, which has spilled White stuff everywhere. I don't know how to open this, so I'm gonna have to ask my Indonesian correspondent to help me.
Ini ya,
What's that for?
sampai itu fokat.
It's my sister-in-law.
Ya.
Yeah, okay. We gotta go that way.
Just one time, stronger. Yeah.
What? Look at this. What is that? So this is like a glue substance coming out of it. I don't know what it is. It's like a sap, I guess. It's very, very, very sticky. Look at that. So how do we extract the fruit from the jackfruit for cooking? Siap untuk memasak.
Yeah, jalan yuk.
Yeah. Oh, watch your fingers.
Nah, like this.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
Ah.
There's plastic in your finger. In the middle masukkan.
Awesome.
Terus
Ah.
gini lah jadinya.
Yeah.
Masak. Dah.
Oh, I'm sweating so much. It is so hot. I'm in the direct sun. Okay, we're gonna cut up all this jackfruit just like how you demonstrated, and then we're gonna get ready to cook it. And then once that's cooked, we can eat our papaya and coconut water with it.
Okay, malam
We've cut up all our jackfruit. That's all ready to go. But now we have to make some coconut milk. So this is an old coconut. The process is we're gonna bust it open and we're gonna make some coconut milk. Honestly, I don't know. I'm kind of learning as I go here. This is very interesting. So Sylvia, what are we doing here?
So take out the coconut skin.
Oh, okay. So this is the setup. We've got a stick in the ground and we're gonna bash the coconut on there and peel the husk off. There you go, there's the coconut inside there. There you go, coconut. Now we need to boom, bust him open. It's full of water, listen. Alright. We're gonna use the blunt side of the knife. Listen to that. We've got this to catch any liquids that drop out on the side, not from top to bottom, on the side. And we're gonna go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Wow! Fresh coconut meat. See how when a coconut's older, it has more meat and less water. That's why when you drink coconut water, it will be from a young green coconut with no meat. And when you have coconut milk, it's made from the meat from an older coconut. And that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna make some coconut milk. This is the special machine that grinds out the meat from the coconut. It's okay, we got a freshie right here. Now we get all this out. And there are a million things that you can do with this. You can dry it out and use it for toppings for desserts. You can roast it in a pan and use it for seasonings for chicken. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to extract the milk from this meat and then we're going to use it for a curry. Beautiful. Step 1 is we're going to add small amounts of water and we're going to press it all with our hands. Mushed up our meat around over here and we're going to be shoveling it into our filter and pressing. Okay, and repeat the process for the entire bowl. This is the extracted meat and this is the milk. So now this meat can actually be used for chicken seasoning. So you can pan fry that and use that for seasoning on some chicken, ayam bumbu. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna save this in some plastic for another time and use that for some chicken. These are the other ingredients that are gonna be going into this dish. We've got chilies, long red chilies, more onions, Laos, chili paste, or which is like just these chilies ground up into a paste there. And then we also have turmeric, ground up turmeric as well. Already smells incredible. All these ingredients are gonna go directly into this coconut milk. We also got some lime leaves. I'm not sure if people do that, but I just did. Look at that, the colors, the smell, the fragrance, it's coming to life. So this is our jackfruit that we cut up earlier that we will be adding to the curry. Alright. Wow. So while this is cooking, I've decided that we will try our papaya. I'm not like the biggest papaya connoisseur, to be completely honest, so I might just cut it again. I'm gonna slice out this funky seed bit. So I'm just gonna eat it like that. Mmm. Very sweet. But it also has this like tartness to it. Very nice. I think this one might just be a little bit overripe. It's very soft, but nonetheless free from a tree. Didn't have to pay anything for it. If I had some yogurt, they're not the biggest fans of yogurt in Indonesia, I've noticed. I don't see very much of it. If this was with some yogurt, some mango, it would be very delicious. And of course, to wash it down, we have our refreshing coconut water. Great way to start the morning. And I think this gulai is just about ready. Give it a taste. Yep. All right, let's plate up and let's eat. Wow, what a meal. Made from scratch with local ingredients, as local as it can get, straight from our backyard. Look at this meal. Beautiful steamed rice. We have our amazing jackfruit. Let's give it a taste. Wow. That curry has a kick. It doesn't have much of a taste. It's sort of just like a generic vegetable. Obviously all the flavor is coming from the curry. The texture is similar to that of like a zucchini. It's soft, but it also is firm at the same time. It's pretty much spot on to a zucchini, really. It's insanely delicious. A great vegetable alternative to chicken. Jackfruit curry. Gulai Nangka. Wow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and the like button, and check out these other videos that I have available over here. YouTube thinks you'll really like them. Alright, peace.